I'm here at the site of Canada's Outdoor Farm Show a bit more than a week before the show opens for 2024, checking out the progress and planning for our extensive coverage that we'll be doing here at the show. One of the things I really like about Canada's Outdoor Farm Show is the trialing and testing that happens on the site. You can try equipment for fun, or for serious business interest, of course, and this year that includes ride and drives for skid steers, small wheel loaders, and the big boom sprayers you can try right out in the field. You can also see hybrids and varieties side by side. The idea of trialing and comparing is baked into the ethos of this site, and I really like that. The whole show site here is now called Discovery Farm and includes larger plots of what are called demonstration research. We're really in a great period of agriculture technology innovation, and there's a need to prove that technology in the field side by side with other technologies in places where farmers can see it. I continue to be impressed with on-farm trials that farmers do, and I think there's opportunity to formalize some of that research, help it, and bring it together for the use of the whole industry. And that's a bit what Discovery Farm is all about, with the need and the ability to do scale field demonstration trials. You can check out all the crop plots while you're here, of course, and then watch for the Off the Beaten Track tour, which will take you around the demonstration field trials. Watch for our extensive coverage of the show in Farmtario, our daily newsletter, where we'll have daily updates, and we will also have extensive amounts of video that we're doing at the show. If you see me, stop me, tell me how things are going on your farm and in your farm business. I'll see you there.